Hi there! So in today's video, I'm going to unbox and show you a very interesting product, a smart fan. And here it is, the Atomberg Renesa Plus. Now you can switch it on and off like a regular fan of course, but it's much smarter than that. It comes with mobile app support, it also comes with a remote control and even control it with your voice. So Alexa support and Google Voice Assistant. Wow, can't wait to check it out. So without wasting any time, let's quickly dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Atomberg Renesa Plus. You can see this comes with 3-year warranty, 2 + 1 year warranty, highest rating and review on online platforms, and IIT Bombay Alumni Venture, over 1 million users. You can see it comes with Atomberg app support, IoT enabled. On the side here is the image of the fan, and this is the golden oak wood color. It's available many more. I'll talk about it later. Alright, let's unbox it. Right on the top, there's an envelope. We have a 1-year warranty card, how to use the Gorilla app, and a user manual. Then we have 2 canopy cups in matte black finish. Here's a metal rod, a super compact infrared remote. Wow, I like that raw finish design. 2 AAA batteries for the remote. Then we have this box. Inside the box is a shackle kit and some screws to mount the fan. And finally, the blades. Check that out. It's beautiful. So before we move further, first I want to talk about the motor. It's super compact and really well built. Now this is a BLDC motor, which means it's going to last longer, and it's also very power efficient. It consumes only 28 watts on the highest speed, so far lesser electricity consumption compared to your regular fans. Then moving to the blades, we get 3 1200 mm blades, and the color I preferred was oak wood. Kind of goes very well with my decor. But there are also options like pearl white and earth brown as well. These blades also come with dust resistant coating, so lesser accumulation of dust and dirt, which is always a huge plus. Alright, time to set it up. Remove the screws and fix the blades. Make sure you tighten them nicely. Now I actually was able to install the fan on my own because I've done it a couple of times, but I highly recommend you let the electrician do it for you. Okay, we're done. So before we turn it on, I have to say, this is one of the sleekest fans I've seen. The oak wood wings look so much premium. So I turned on the switch and I can see a couple of LED lights in the center and the fan starts rotating. So basically now you can start controlling the fan with the remote. Here's the remote. On the top is the power button. This will toggle on and off. There you go, it's turned on. LED button, press once to turn on the blue LED lights. Now this makes for a perfect night light. Press it again to turn it off. Then this button is to increase the speed and this button is to decrease the speed. Now as I press decrease, the number of LED lights indicates the speed. You can see it's reducing. Now when I'm increasing, the same LED lights also increase. That's just a perfect speed indicator. Wow, that's got really fast and breezy. Then there's a boost mode, that's like going to max speed with just a single button. Then below that is the timer button, so you can set it to turn off in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or 6 hours. The number of LED lights indicates the amount of timer that you've set. And finally, sleep mode. When you enable it, it will reduce the speed of the fan by 1 step after every 2 hours. Finally, it will reach a number 1 and continue working. Can you imagine how helpful this is? You won't have to get up early in the morning to reduce the fan speed on those chilly mornings. Just perfect. Alright, let's connect the fan to the app. Download the Atomberg app from the Play Store or the App Store. It's available for both Android and iPhone. If this is your first time here, sign up, and once you're logged in, press the plus icon, enter your Wi-Fi password and click connect. Then you can see the Atomberg fan name show up. You can turn on and off the fan. You can toggle boost mode on and off. You can toggle the LED light on and off. There's also sleep mode, timer mode where you can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, exactly like what you could do from the remote. Now I know, some of you might be thinking, we're not going to open an app every time you want to operate a fan. Well, don't worry. Atomberg has even got voice control and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. First thing you got to do is add the skill on your Alexa app if you want to use it with Alexa. Log in with your Atomberg app credentials, and that's it. If you see here, you can see that Atomberg fan is in the list already. You can change the name to whatever you like. By default, it's the Atomberg fan. I'm gonna keep it just fan. If you have multiple smart fans, you can name it to the kitchen fan, room fan, dining fan, basically anything that you want. Now ideally you will need an Echo speaker or Google speaker for this to work. The other way is that you give that voice command to the Alexa app. Ideally having a speaker would make things more seamless and completely hands-free. Time to check it out. Alexa, turn on the fan. Alexa, turn the speed of the fan to 4. Alexa, turn the speed of the fan to 6. Alexa, turn off the fan. So there you go, a true smart fan, controlled by app, controlled by remote, and even controlled with voice command. Above that, it comes with a BLDC motor, which is extremely compact and super power efficient. You can get the Atomberg Renesa Smart Plus fan starting at 6,026 in the pearl white color and earth brown color. If you're looking for that oak wood color, the price is 6,207. It comes with 3 years warranty, so you don't have to worry a thing. I'll leave the links for all the colors in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or even complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.